My bathroom. I ain't set up no tripod, y'all. I'm finna get this face together. I showered last night, so I'm not gonna shower again because I'm gonna come back home and shower. So it don't make sense for me to take a shower before going out and then still come back and take a shower. So just cleaning my face. I'm gonna go ahead and brush my teeth again because I did brush this morning. But usually when I go out, even if it's out to eat, I brush again. So I know y'all probably don't want to see me brushing my teeth, so I'm gonna see y'all when I come back. So y'all, I just finished brushing and mouthwashing, so I'm gonna go ahead and moisturize my face before I put on some makeup. I'm gonna put on the Nivea Body Lotion Essentials 48 Hour. I really like the way this feels on my skin, and Sean likes it too, so I'm just gonna hit them elbows and hit my face and neck. Cause I always try to put on some sort of lotion before I do my makeup, just to give the makeup and my skin like a barrier. Next thing I go ahead and go on with immediately is I usually put on some chapstick on my lips, but that's in my purse. So let me just go ahead and start with the foundation. And when I mean foundation, I do not put on foundation unless it's like a super like long event, something where I need to be full coverage. I'm just gonna go ahead and use my BB Soft Focus finishing powder. It's actually a finishing powder, but I use it as like face powder. I was trying to see the color I'm in. Oh, I'm in Golden Almond Finish 9201. So go ahead and pop on that. I usually start like right under the eye. This is not a tutorial, y'all. This is just how I do my makeup. Like, especially like if I don't want to wear foundation, because I don't not wear, when I wear makeup, I mean like, oh, that's me putting on some powder, you know, as a base. That's not me putting on foundation. I feel like foundation is really heavy. So, and this is I got this from Target, so it was pretty affordable. I think it's like $6 or $8. I really don't know. I haven't bought it in a while. This is like my second time purchasing it because I don't usually wear makeup throughout the week, so I work from home. Even if I didn't work from home, I wouldn't wear a lot of makeup, little to no makeup at work. So y'all can already starting to see how full coverage it kind of is. So y'all, I just did that eyebrow so fast. Like lately you've been using like an eyeliner pencil, and that's how I've been filling in my brows. Because I've been keeping them shaped up so they're not so hard to fill in. And then two, when you wear the powder, it lets you like clearly see where your eyebrows are. So as far as like filling them in, it kind of just makes it easier. So y'all saw I just did that brow so fast. Yeah, I'm gonna still go up with concealer. Not that I need it, but to just sharpen the brow a little bit. I use this Nyx Concealer in color CJ04 Beige. And I have this little brush that I specifically use for my concealer, and for some reason every time I want to use it, it's all the way at the bottom of my makeup little bag I have. This makeup bag is also from Target too. I think it was like $5 or $6. I'm not looking at y'all because I gotta do this right, so looking in this bathroom mirror. I do not put concealer under my eye anymore either, because this powder is so good. I don't feel the need to put any concealer under my eye. I used to though. I just don't feel the point of doing it no more. Like I told y'all, I don't wear makeup like that all the time. Just going out, honestly. Most times in the house, I am barefaced and I love it and I don't mind. I don't feel like, even when I step out, I don't never feel like I have to wear makeup. So, yeah, I'm just bringing it up here because I got a little bit on my brush. Yeah, I do carve out my brow Like, because especially I would carve it out like even more cleaner, like if I didn't just recently shape my brows with a thread or with the straight blade. But there's no reason for me to do all that because the brows look good before the concealer, but the concealer just gonna bring it together. So all right, y'all, let me go ahead and blend this concealer out. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and blend this concealer out. Y'all, the powder just do it for me. Like, it just do it for me. I can show y'all the foundation I do use when I do wear. You see it's almost gone, y'all. And once it's gone, I don't think I'm going to get no more. It's the Benefit Hello Flawless Oxygen Wow Brightening Makeup. And y'all see it's almost gone. And it's called I'm So Glamour Amber. Y'all see. Like, once it's gone, I'm probably not going to buy no more because I don't care to wear foundation. Okay, so we just did them eyebrows real fast. No problem. I'm gonna go ahead and go on with like this palette. It's like my only palette. Talking about this palette, like I got other palettes. I'm gonna wet my brush from e.l.f. It's called an eyeshadow brush. Just wet it a little bit and dip it in this. Ooh, my palette broke. Dip it in this red color here. And go ahead and put that on my lid. Like I said, y'all, this is not no tutorial whatsoever. Then I'm going to just go on my crease with it. You see me lightly put it on my lid, but then I'm going to go on my crease with it. Because I'm going to put some gold on my eyes. So I just wanted to put this base of red down first. Red would be tricky sometimes because red could look like you got punched in the eyeball like real quick if you don't like brighten it up. So that's why you saw me put it on my lid and then kind of bring it up on my crease. I am no professional, y'all. I literally learned makeup from YouTube. I'm not even lying to y'all right now. Growing up, my mom didn't wear... The only person I saw wear makeup was my grandma Sherry wore lipstick. And that was it. My TT wore makeup, but only when she was like going out or something like that. And then that stopped because once she got married, she kind of just stuck with like lashes and eyeliner. So growing up, I didn't really see women wear makeup. So I'm used to like being barefaced and stuff. But when I go out, you know, every once in a while, not all the time, it's nice to just even put on some lip gloss and lashes or just do your eyebrows and put on some lashes. Like, I'm not opposed to go ahead and use this. This is called Me Essentials. Y'all, I don't know what this is. It's a shimmer brush bronze. I don't know what color it is, but y'all, I bought this from somebody who was selling like makeup palettes outside a beauty shop. And I just love this. I use it as a highlighter. I use it as an eyeshadow. It's just so nice. I'm going to go ahead and wet my brush again and dip my e.l.f. brush in here. Ooh. And then just put this on my crease because it's a little bit glittery. I mean, not my crease, y'all, my lid. See, I'm no professional. None whatsoever. While I'm doing this step, I go ahead and just highlight my nose, highlight my Cupid's bow. Because when I tell y'all we finna put these lashes on and be done, we finna be done. Go ahead and highlight my chin. And then highlight them little natural cheekbones, y'all. Like, I love this shadow because you could use it. You just see how I just used it. And like I said, this lighting probably not even doing my makeup any justice right now. But, y'all, sometimes when I do my makeup and it be just something as basic as this, it be looking like I really spent time doing it. But, as y'all could see, we finna pop on lashes and eyeliner and be done. It's not even all that serious. By the way, y'all, Aviva just left, so if y'all wondering why the house so quiet and I got time to actually record me doing this, is because of that. Let me go ahead and get that brush again. Just kind of blend this down a little bit. It's a little shiny, y'all. yeah, I think we're done with the eye makeup now. And my next step is going to be lashes, which is something I'm going to have to do off camera because I cannot do lashes on camera.